So last time I couldn't talk to you, I was using a payphone. I think you're ready to hear the truth. So when programming Meg, the building's faulty wiring started a fire, and we need to program Meg fast. But we see CS identity set his evil personality to 100%, and a kid died the following week. And strange activity happened the day after that. And about
Where do you think you're
Oh
going?
no.